Shauna, I'm going to ask you this right now. This looks like a kit that you just set out for Jason Momoa.
I did.
I know you did.
Who doesn't love a hot man with great skin, right? And don't we wish Jason Momoa was using our products? I would personally give him a lesson in this.
That's
okay,
why I mentioned it.
this actually is our men's take-home kit. We have started doing men's protocols. We have classes on gentlemen's facials and treatments, and it's a big hit right now. So I think that men are coming up. They're getting their place in the industry.
Well, besides estheticians, who's interested in barbers.
Exactly,
We
and
were just at a
cosmos.
trade show recently, and almost half of the class that I had was barbering people.
Yes.
Looking for treatments that they could use in their practices that were easy.
Easy. So our protocols for those treatments and our classes are all listed online. However, this is the kit that we're selling as a gentleman's treatment kit, their take-home kit. Of course, it's the quiet wash because everyone needs a cleanser that's gentle and not drying. This is a refined polish that you can use it once or twice a week to really get that dirt and debris. You know, men's skin is always a little tougher than our skin. You can be super cool and put a little bit of the refined polish in the quiet wash every single day and use it like that, like an extra exfoliant.
Men
Right.
love to scrub. They love looking for scrubs. If you look at most men's lines, they have some type of polish
They
or scrub.
do. So do I, but that's beside the point. And then we have our Vital Lipid Lotion, which is for combination skin. And then, of course, SPF, because everyone needs that in their life. The men's kit has to be simple. Men like simple. They don't like a lot of fragrance. And they want to be able to follow through with the routine. So this is what we suggest. In my treatment room, I always want to add a little more retail. So I love the little Tara scrubbers. We have these on our website too. It's a mechanical device to just help really deeply clean and exfoliate the skin. Men like this, especially those men with beards or facial hair, because you could really get in there and clean that skin underneath the hair. It also helps reduce folliculitis because you're deeply cleansing the skin. So men like that too. So I always add one of these to my at-home kit for my gentlemen. If at first they don't want this, if they're hesitant and only want the kit, don't worry, the next appointment I sneak that in also. Works every time. So let's take care of our men so they can take care of their skin.